Alright, you guys, so I made it inside Homegoods. Every time I see the salt and pepper shaker, it cracks me up because they're like fish salt and pepper shakers. But look how pretty this is. We haven't seen it. Look at the tray in the back. Here's the bowl with the gold rim. No price. Let me look at this one real quick. Maybe $5.99? No. But there's a blue one. It's a little tiny plate. That's $5. So, you know, I'm guessing sometimes the bowls are like $5.99 around there. Plenty of strawberry. Like we got, this is large. It's a little different. It's like tilted one. Okay, this one's gonna be $28 for the little creamer, $7 for the red one, and $20 for this whole set right here. These look like little cherries, right? $3.99. And let me grab, looks like a pie, like, you know. Oh, come on. It's kind of cute. That is $7 by Potter Studio. And then down here, it's not melamine, so you gotta be careful here. Normally, this is like melamine, but look at that. 25. That one's 25, okay. And I really want to get into this strawberry. Oh gosh. Nope. Let me see. There we go. The strawberry one. That's kind of cute. That's 15. There's some more strawberries. Oh, look at that guy. He's adorable. I'm afraid to pull them out. I'm afraid I'm going to like break one by like just banging it on accident. 15. Actually, I was in TJ Maxx during Christmas time, and they had like a little penguins that were hanging off the cup, and I tilted over because it was already broken. I didn't know, and it just broke everywhere, and I felt so terrible. Like, it's my fault. The girl with the camera broke it. I feel like that, even though I didn't, you know. Here's the orange one. Okay. And that is 15. Tons of lemon. Ooh, 15. Look at that purple. It's like a little $5.99 on the inside. But this is kind of cool. Let me get over here real quick. The ladybug, the lemon, painted by hand. These are $5. You got like the orange and a blush pink. Teapot. That's kind of cute, right? That's $9. No, 17. I'm sorry. 17. And okay, tons of wreath. Flowers, a 20 right next to me. Got the cowgirl boots. And these trays, okay, oops. $12.99. Like the trio. And this is $15. $15. Okay. There's a butterfly one behind it. I have been seeing so much pickleball. Do we really love pickleball? Is that, you guys love it?
I think it's just trendy.
I don't even know. I mean, I know when I go to the dog park, there's a pickleball court, but like, I don't know people who, like me personally, who play it. But it's like getting, I see it so much. Costco, Walmart, pickleball, everything. I'm all like, why are they pressing pickleball? Oh, look at this one. Little cowgirl. $12.99. That is actually really cute. There's that strawberry one. I could get to this one. Doesn't have the bird on it. 17. Let me go look up here real quick.
My brain doesn't work.
That's 7. Yep, 7. Making sure. Double checking. Tons of Dolly Parton. Looks like that's 8. I'm not too sure, but $4. You know, Dolly Parton you could find in Hobby Lobby. Their glassware here. Tons of pretty shades of blue. Oh, look at that little green one. That's $4. That's actually kind of cute. Ooh, I never seen the red one. Giving me Christmas vibes right there.
This is pretty. I like this.
17 for the cherry one. The tall one's 15. It's really pretty.
Ooh, I love these.
Oh, look, they have a piano. The lemon one. Ooh, what is that? Is this a whole set? No. Wait, can I get it? Okay. That's cool looking. This is 10. I don't know why I get fascinated by glassware. I like different shapes and the colors. And they're just so interesting. I don't see anything too new here, but I could just scan. This one right here is 10. That's really pretty. Tahari, you get 4 in there. 20. $12.99. Look at these dragons. That dragon's $130. And I want to say another one on top. That one's 100. Wow, that one's cheaper than this guy. Well, this one's on like the ball right here. Oh, he's $59.99. I think I need to get my eyes checked. I think this one's bigger though. I think this one is 100. Okay, this is kind of cool looking. That's not gonna fall off, right? Wait, it looks like a little Pac-Man, kind of like a marble. How much is that? I'm trying to lift it over. $25. It kind of does.
It's eating one of those little pellet things.
That's 17. Ooh, it's kind of cool looking. That's 15. I like that. And we had gold. I was listening to this family's conversation. They're like, I've seen so many rom-coms, and what always happens to the girl? The guy goes out with the best friend, ends up with the best friend. I'm like, yeah, why?
in chick movies, though, he always passes up the supermodel for the dumpy-looking girl.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Don't be like that. He's a guy. Don't listen to him. But yeah, she was like $29.99. That's kind of cool. They always go to the best friends. I'm like, yeah. But I don't know. I don't know from experience, but I've seen it in real life, which is kind of sad.
I think they even commented on that on Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
$49.99.
So he dumped
And then
the
let's see. Look at this chair. Very interesting. Wall art, $150. I think I've seen this one before. This one's $150. And oh, the strawberry pillows are still here. I'm trying to get into the home decor. Let me walk away. Bowls, more strawberry ones. These are like egg crates. Okay. This one is the same here. We have Paris, the book that transforms into a cityscape. These trays are actually really, really nice, right? And you see how it's like deep, like those Van Gogh portraits? I'm saying we could make that into a tray, I think. I like this vase right here. There's actually a place in Jerome where this lady, she shows you how she burns. It's like horsehair, like you whip it and catch it on fire or something. It's very interesting. $25, but when you do walk into the store, it does smell like burnt hair. $29.99 here. Like these pots are here.
Alright, thanks.
So it looks like that was it for home decor. Oh, look at Potato Head. Potato Head in here. Oh, there's like a bear caterpillar. Okay, that's kind of weird. These are 17. I like this happy face one. It's gonna be $25. And by Rachel Roy, this is 25. Barbie watermelon. Oh, look at all the pink. Look how colorful. These are 20. really cute strawberry prints. We have like the towels, the hand ones. These are $12.99. This is cute, and this is 10. Striped strawberry and the watermelon, which I haven't seen. $59.99 for this lamp, and $40 for these two right here. Now this one is Kate Spade for $40. Can you dim it? Oh no? It'd be kind of cool if you could dim it though. Oh, that's cool. This one is $80. First in new design. So who makes that one? And I got a cart full of food. They're bringing out the snacks. And 300. Like horse one. Okay, that's 15. $12.99. $12.99. Oh, are they all the same? Oh, this one more. Oh, I can't move it anymore. This one's 17. No, it's like stuck.
Oh.
And 15, okay. Cute little strawberry basket right here. It is $40. Ta-da! No snake. No snake. This little table is by Nautica. These are cool. 150. 150. Alright, I think that's it. Because the rest is plenty of vases, and then we get more in the middle. It gets to gift boxes, stationery. They did that to every Homegoods I go to. The whole middle is filled with stationery and gift boxes. Oh look, they have the small cabinet. Well, even the small one's $3.50, and I think for the large one, you know, I think the large one might have been like close to $5. I'm trying to remember here. All right, you guys, please stay safe. Yeah, here we go. And I will see all of you in the next one. $29.99. This is 7. That's a new mug. Nautica napkins. These are $12.99. That's 10. Oh, look at these. Oh, that's new. 25. Is that like a shooter? Or candles? I don't know. I was thinking shooters.
It's a flight.